The Brig Larder is a conglomeration between three different businesses, local businesses, Charlie's, Craigie's and Scott and Miller's. And the idea was to get them all under the one roof, as it were, providing local produce to everyone really. The local businessman approached myself, Thorfinn Craigie, about doing this. I also wanted to have a place in the tune. I knew that Thorfinn did as well, and that's really how it all started. There's a lot of Orkney produce under the one roof, so you can come here, buy everything for your dinner, be that nice seafood starter, steak dinner, you get local wine if you want it, cheese, biscuits, oat cakes. It's really the main concept was having everything local under the one roof. It's crucial for us, it's the Orkney brand, it's the Orkney name again, and folk really buying into that, and we think by having it here all together, it gives folk the chance just to come to a one-stop shop if you like and get everything. I think for us it's really getting ourselves established. I mean, we're still less than 2 years we've been here, so the whole time working at that. The Brig Larder is a brand, so it's a bit of a brand awareness, so everything Orkney within that. We've got a few ideas and we'll see how we go, but first and foremost it's just really establishing what we've got here and building what we're doing in-house.